Travis Martell here with Martell.elite Fitness. Today we're going to coach you through the crossover sprint. This is a very important field drill to do that will help you improve your on-ice change of direction. So when you're thinking of guys like McDavid, McKinnon, these guys that can race up the ice and quickly change the direction, stop and get back going the opposite direction, maybe a loose puck or a chance for a breakaway, they're really good at producing power and speed out of this position. So this crossover sprint is going to help you skate better on the ice when you're trying to change your direction. To get set up in this drill, we want to get nice and low, and I want to lean on my inside leg. This is the leg that's going to produce all that power as I'm trying to come out of my stop. In hockey, if I'm skating in one direction and I stop, chances are I want to go back to where I came from. There's probably a loose puck, chance for a breakaway, whatever that might be. If I end up stopping on this leg, what I end up having to do is shift across before I can get going again. So it's too slow. So I want to come in, stop already on this leg. My opposite leg's gonna be back just a little bit. So I'm thinking of pulling on this leg, the other leg's crossing over, and I want to rotate my hips, plant down here, and now I'm in my sprint position. I'm gonna drive hard off this leg, and then once I get going, then I'm in my normal sprint. So a little quicker, it should look like this. So I'm down nice and low, loaded this leg, and I'm gonna pull the ground here, and as soon as this foot touches down, I'm gonna try to punch off the ground and take off. So this is called our crossover sprint. This is gonna help you change your direction better on the ice. You're coming in, you're stopping, you gotta quickly get out of that. You're gonna cross over out, you're gonna take off. This is a great drill, especially in off-season training. If you're not incorporating any type of field work, you're not maximizing your speed gains that you could be getting on the ice. So if you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe for more great content to help you become a more explosive and dynamic skater on the ice.